Welcome to your daily motivation and inspiration, where I simplify life and business and help you become your highest and best self. Do you know that there's one word that if you stop saying it, you could stop overloading your back? Yes, your back. One word will stop overloading your back, and it's amazing. Here's the thing. This one word is no. We have such a challenge saying no to things. We have such a problem saying no to people. We have a hard time saying no when somebody asks us to do something. And we might not even know how to do it, but yet we're saying yes. So if you could just practice saying no, and this is what I'm doing with the people I work with now, with clients. They have a hard time saying no to the point where they're saying yes, and then I'm coaching them about these issues that they're having. Well, if they just said no, they wouldn't have the issue. They wouldn't have the problem. They wouldn't have something they need to solve because they said yes. So, I don't know if it's a problem that's spreading, but so many people have an issue with saying no. And I actually encourage people to track how often they say no. Because if they keep saying yes, guess what? Then they overload their back, right? It becomes a weight and a pressure on your shoulders, on your spine, on your nervous system, and everything gets weighed down. And that's really going to slow you down. Especially if you're in business like I am, then you need to be able to say no. You need to, in fact, you might as well have some languaging that you could say, no, not right now, but maybe later when I'm available, something like that. Just ready to say, because so many times people say yes. If you're a giver, and a lot of people are go-givers, if you ever read Bob Burg's book, The Go-Giver, people are givers. And about 16% of people around the world, based on research, are givers. Just absolute givers. They will not hesitate. They just say yes. If something is asked of them, they say yes. I had a friend the other day. She said that she had 5 people ask her to do things, and if she didn't say no, she would have been totally overburdened. Her back would have been overloaded just because 5 people asked for something totally unexpected. And that was the day when I said to her, you got to learn to say no more often. Wow, did she ever get an opportunity to say no? So think about it. Your whole life is a reflection of your words and thoughts. And if you don't say no, then you're going to be overburdened and overloaded. I don't want you to overload your back anymore. I don't want you to overload your life anymore. You don't need to. Just practice saying no. Say no. I don't have time right now, but maybe later. Something like that. And then you can assess it and rethink it if you need to. But that's the key message today. Don't overload yourself. Too many people do it. You don't have to do it anymore. I'm here to guide and support you on that. And totally agree with saying yes to some things, but not always. All right. If you'd like this video, let me know. Comment below. And if you're not on my YouTube channel, head over there and check it out and watch other videos and help yourself become your highest and best self. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video.